Hello, and thanks for tuning in. My name is Glenn Sakach, and this is my brand new YouTube channel, which I've decided to call TVTech. On this channel, I would like to present my take on the tech side of the editing and color correcting industry, show off some toys and software solutions that might be of interest to those of you in the industry. I've been working in the television and film industry for over 30 years now. I started out as a studio camera operator at a very small TV station, and over the years worked my way through a few different areas, including directing and graphics. Today, as I have for quite a while now, I make my money as an editor and a colorist, but I still love to dabble in pretty much anything techie. I wanted to start this channel as a bit of a creative outlet during the lockdown phase in 2020. But also to help those who are struggling out or struggling with aspects of our industry. Quite often I'll see questions put to the forum and I'll think it would be so much easier to just show the solution rather than talk about it, or at least show my solution. I also have a couple of 3D printers at my disposal, and I've been amazed at how useful they can be to someone in this industry. So I'll show you some of the solutions I've come up with to help make my gear and my edit suite function a bit better. So with that in mind, I hope you find something interesting on this channel. I'll try my best to keep a steady stream of content coming in. And if you have any ideas or questions, please feel free to drop me a line. My email address is in the information below.